You are feeling very abundant right now. You are feeling very successful. Ina-enjoy mo yung mga pinaghirapan mo na yun. And if this is you, I feel na this is a message from the universe for you today. And this is a collective reading, so just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. We are tapping into the collective energy. So, kung hindi man lahat magtugma sa'yo, maybe there is a message for you in this video. Okay, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what message do you want to tell this collective today? You are feeling very abundant. You are feeling very independent. Ina-enjoy mo yung mga achievements mo, yung mga pinaghirapan mo kasi deserve mo naman yan. So we got the Queen of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Okay. So I feel that this is saying na hindi ka lang materially hindi ka lang materially self-sufficient or hindi ka lang luxurious, pero you are also compassionate, you are also warm, you also have emotional maturity, you have empathy. Okay, so emotionally fulfilled ka rin. Very queen energy ka dito. And I feel na you are also a creative person. So, yan, very, ano ka ngayon, very blooming, and ganyan. We also got the Nine of Cups. You are very contented sa kung nasaan ka ngayon. Satisfied ka sa mga achievements na-achieve mo right now. You feel recognized. You are enjoying your success, the pleasures of life. At pinapakita lang ng cards na to na you have very maraming opportunities na lalapit sa'yo. This may be a new inspiration, a new creative spark, or a new job opportunity, or another opportunity for you to be abundant. So, you are in your element right now. Ina-enjoy mo yung mga pinaghirapan mo. You feel contented kung ano man yung meron ka ngayon. Kaya lumalapit ang blessings sa'yo. This may be a new idea, a new creative spark, or this also may be a new opportunity for abundance or pwedeng resources. Malay mo, makakuha ka ng pera, may magbigay sa'yo, or may mag-invest sa'yo. So, ayan. Ano pa? Ano pang gusto nyo sabihin? So, we got the Ten of Wands. I feel na you got at this point kasi you have been, um, you have been carrying your responsibilities, your duties, and somehow, na burn out ka, pero, natuto ka naman din na mag-balance, magkaroon ng patience, and ayun, maging kalmado, mag-moderate ang sarili. Kaya, ngayon, you are embracing your own essence, your own energy. So, kung dati, you are feeling burdened, you are feeling stressed, you are facing a lot of struggles, ngayon, ano ka na, kalmado ka na, you are very serene, you are at peace, you have achieved balance. Kaya ngayon, yung mga opportunities na yung lumalapit sa'yo. And we got the Queen of Pentacles. Ayan na nga. So, yun. Ngayon, you are learning to embrace your own power. You are learning to care for yourself. You are learning to nurture yourself. You have been practical. Meron ka ng balance between work and life, home and career. Kaya ngayon, yung mga opportunities na lumalapit sa'yo is yung opportunities na yung lumalapit sa'yo. Hindi na ikaw yung naghahabol ng mga opportunities para magkaroon ng like new pwedeng business opportunities, hindi na ikaw yung naghahanap, ngayon sila na yung lumalapit kasi you have embraced your queen energy. You have enjoyed your efforts, nire-rewardan mo yung sarili mo, you have enjoyed independence, you have enjoyed your success, your yeah, your achievements, natuto kang makontento. So, ngayon, yan, yung opportunities na yung lumalapit sa'yo. Okay? I hope this message helped you today. Kung nakarelate ka man, mag-comment ka lang dyan. And yeah, have a good day everyone and see you sa next reading.